A minor Dalit girl gang raped, driven to suicide. She committed self-immolation. A story of tragic horror that should spark cries for justice, empathy and outrage. But for the ruling Congress in Haryana, the stories of rape have resulted in altogether a different response. The man on the left of your television screen is the chief of the Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee, a man appointed by Sonia Gandhi to manage the political affairs of the state. But for Phool Chand Mulana, the spiraling graph of heinous crimes is just summed up as a political conspiracy. Just listen in to his shocking statement.
हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं, लेकिन ये बात जरूर कहूंगा कि वारदात पहले भी होती थी, वारदात होती है, लेकिन वारदात होने के बाद कार्रवाई पूरी होती है और मुलजिमों को पकड़ा जाता है। किसी भी मुलजिम को संरक्षण नहीं दिया जाता। मैं तो बल्कि इस हद तक गया हूं इस मामले में, कहीं ये कोई साजिश तो नहीं है। कभी जमुनानगर में, कभी जींद में, कभी कहीं पे, कभी कहीं पे। क्या ये एक कतारबद्ध तरीके से ये क्राइम करवाए जा रहे हैं? हम इसकी कठोर निंदा करते हैं।
And this was the case he was reacting to. A minor Dalit who died after setting herself ablaze. She'd been gang raped by a group of brutes in Jeend district. But for the state Congress chief, her dying testimony dismissed off as a political conspiracy. Let's now go through the timeline of horror unfolding in Haryana. Rape after rape. 12 gang rapes in less than a month. Women left brutalized. Women left traumatized. Families shattered. Are all these cases of tragedy to be dismissed as a political conspiracy? That's the question that we're asking here on Headlines today. Will demand for justice, will cries for justice be met with scorn or conspiracy theories?
तो भाभी थी उसकी, एक खुद हुआ था, एक उसका देवर था, दूसरा पड़ोस में था, और एक और इसका तक थोड़ा था। अरे क्या मेरे साथ में बचाओ बचाओ की बात
नहीं, ये कोई साजिश तो नहीं है। कभी जमुनानगर में, कभी जींद में, कभी कहीं पे, कभी कहीं पे। क्या ये एक कतारबद्ध तरीके से ये क्राइम करवाए जा रहे हैं? हम इसकी कठोर निंदा करते हैं।
कहीं ये साजिश तो नहीं है। The Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee chief sees this as a conspiracy against the Haryana government. Will the Haryana government then investigate these matters in the right earnest? Will they move for action against the perpetrators? Let me bring in Purnima Advani, former chairperson of the National Commission for Women. Let me also bring in Alka Lamba. She's a Congress leader. She's a social activist, a social rights activist who joins us in our Delhi studio. Purnima Advani, let me come to you first. You've headed the NCW. What would you make of a statement which comes from the Pradesh Congress Committee chief when rape after rape, he says, कहीं ये सरकार के खिलाफ साजिश तो नहीं है?
The lack of unimportance that the politician wants to give to such a grievous crime against women is pathetic. This is nothing but a mollified mind which is attempting to deflate the seriousness of the crime. I don't see any justice being possible for the women of the state if the person who heads the state or those who are in important positions of power are unable to realize the seriousness of the entire crime and want to deflate the heinousness by stating that it could be a sajish or a conspiracy or whatever. Yes. I think what is also very important is that the entire investigation then is going to suffer, because if this is the message that comes from a senior-most political leader of the ruling party, then what is it? What is the seriousness with which those who are meant to investigate through the law enforcement agencies would be able to give to it?
Will there then be an effort to brush these things under the carpet? And that's the shocking aspect that we see coming out of Haryana. 455 rapes in Haryana till the month of August. 94 in Hisar alone. 454 is the capital's rape count. So we're telling you about what is happening in Haryana. Alka Lamba, you're a Congress leader, you're also a social worker. What do you make of politicians to represent the political class? Why do politicians make statements like these? Does this not affect investigations?
See, I'm here as a social women rights activist, not as a Congress spokesperson or speak on behalf of the leaders who are giving such statements. As a woman, I also feel it's a pity, it's a shame on us that we are not able to provide the security of to the women's or the minor girls even. And I'm shocked after listening such. If there is any conspiracy behind all these incidents, then this is a duty of the government to bring that people in a light who are doing this conspiracy and targeting the minor girls to get raped. I think this is shame and sad, I believe.
Alka Lamba at this stage, Alka, the BJP is criticizing it, Dalit women getting raped, even the minorities wing and SC/ST wing of the Congress party is criticizing it, but no action being taken by the Haryana government. They seem to be trying to brush it all under the carpet.
See, this is really a sad incidents which are happening, but this is more sad that we are making it completely a political blame game. That like the BJP statements are coming. Don't forget it, that before Phulchand Maulana, I'm not saying he said right, but I'm opposing myself. But before that, don't forget, Mamata Banerjee also used such a word of conspiracy when the rape was happening in West Bengal. She said this is all conspiracy against the government. So these are the mindsets. I think we should not make it a political blame game, because the victims, maybe the girl, she is not alive today, and she committed suicide with the thought that she knows she's not going to get the justice, because it's going to become a blame game or winning game for some political party. I think this is something very serious issue. We take it very seriously, and the action should be taken as strongly as soon as possible, so the justice will reach to these girls. And I'm really shocked to know in the news that some Khap panchayats, ek fatwa, they again came up with the fatwa that the girls only can safe with the rape and all that things if they at the age of 15 they get married. I think the recognition of such jo has to be taken back.
And case after case of rape horror in Haryana it's not just the state's politicians who are using this trauma to serve their own agendas. As Alka was just pointing out, let's talk about the infamous Khaps of Haryana. What is their solution to rape? For these Khap leaders in Rohtak, the age of marriage should be brought down. Reduce the age for girls from 18 to 15, and Khap panchayats in Haryana say that will be the solution of all the problems. Take a look at how Haryana compares to other states in India. Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, they've all gone somewhere in improving the sex ratio in the past decade. But Haryana, the scale remains tragically tilted against the girl child. Is that one of the reasons?
चीजों को कंट्रोल करने के लिए फर्स्ट स्टेज पर कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा, एज कम करनी पड़ेगी, और उसके साथ साथ आपका जो है ये मीडिया में जो चैनलों पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती है, सिनेमा के जो सीन है, इनको रोकना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये बात रुकने वाली नहीं।
तो कितनी
मैं तो कहता हूँ 16 साल एज होनी चाहिए, 16 साल लड़की की होनी चाहिए और 18 साल लड़के की होनी चाहिए।
Bring the age of marriage down to 16. Purnima Advani to bring down the number of rape cases. Let girls get married at 16. That's Haryana's Khap solution for rape.
So Gaurav, if you can't stop and you can't catch thieves, just remove the offense of theft from the Indian Penal Code. That's all, so that no crime is committed. It should not be called a crime. That is what Khap Panchayat is saying. It is ridiculous. I mean, this just is a stark statement that we are unable to control a crime. So just permit it, reduce the age, let anything happen to women. What happens to women is not their concern. how it is reflected in the political arena and the social arena is what is important to them. But having said that, let me also state one more point, Gaurav, which I wanted to say earlier, that the statistics that you are revealing may not be real statistics.
Yes.
Because numerous women in such an environment would hesitate coming out to a police station and lodge a complaint.
Yes.
In a state where you have the senior most politician saying that, look here, this is a conspiracy, and inflate it as a political conspiracy. What rubbish! What confidence would women have to come out? Another shocking statement was by our co-panelist that Mamta Banerjee did this and it should not be political. I mean, if Mamta or anybody has said a wrong statement, does one wrong justify the commission of a second wrong? What is this argument?
I'll get Alka to respond to that, but for a moment, let me quickly cut across to Haryana. Let me bring it Ankit Tyagi. Ankit Tyagi is in Rohtak. He's been speaking to several CUP leaders on ground zero. Ankit, what is their reaction to the Chief Minister's silence on the Haryana Pradesh Congress Committee Chief's shocking and bizarre statement that these rapes perhaps could be a political conspiracy?
Well, that's the irony, Gaurav. These such statements have only emboldened these cops and the diktats that they come across. I have a few guests with me here in Rohtak. Let me introduce to the guest that I have with me. I have Captain Inder Singh. He is a INLD leader from Rohtak. I also have the sitting MLA. I have Mr. Bharat Bhushan Batra. He is the Congress MLA. And Jagmati Sangwan, she's an activist. She has been fighting against female feticide and other issues in Haryana. If I can just go across first to Mr. Bhushan. Sir, Mr. Phulchand Maulana, state president of the Congress party, made a statement that people are up in arms against. He said that all these rapes are a political, conspiracy. Haryana is seeing staggering number of such incidences, and such an irresponsible statement by the state chief.
It's not a question of any irresponsible statement. Whether the figure has been given by the press, whether it is true or not, but this is only that at this stage there has to be change in the mental set of the people. It's not only that stray incidents are being repeated. When they rape is when against a public cry, if somebody has been lifted or otherwise in a train or bus, that is a separate thing. If somebody is going to a field, other people are going it, at that stage you cannot accuse the government so far as these incidents. But so far as you take these incidents, the thing is that victim. And firstly, I'll say that I strongly condemn that whatsoever these incidents being taken by state. We have thus no sympathy for these people. जो ये लोग कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ कोई sympathy नहीं है, and stringent punishment should be made to them.
But the point is, sir, you are saying that stringent punishment should be meted out to them, but the way these statements are made, it's only emboldened these sort of incidents. Ma'am, if I can come to you, Haryana is witnessing a huge number of cases of crime against women. And such political statement and talking about whether the mindset will change, do you think it helps? Does the mindset will change if the leaders of the state, It has to be changed.
देखिए, what has been said by Mr. Maulana, it is absolutely away from the truth. Whereas the fact is that the Congress government, they are running their state home minister. He is accused of such cases. It is actually making the climate suitable for crimes. और जिस तरह से एक महीने के अंदर 47 केस आए हैं और मतलब उसमें 47 यूथ आपकी स्टेट के जो हैं वो बलात्कार जैसा अपराध घिनौना उसके अंदर संलिप्त है और 10 महिलाएं और लड़कियां जो हैं वो उसकी शिकार हैं। तो कुल मिला के ये पूरी संस्कृति मतलब यहाँ पे चल रही है अपराधों की राज्य के अंदर, उसके ऊपर बहुत गंभीरता से ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। ये डाइवर्शनरी टैक्टिक्स है।
Sir, INLD, it's the main opposition party. Do you see the government actually trying to do something about all these incidents?
First of all, I will tell you that it is a pity. A chief minister is giving a statement that these rape cases are a conspiracy. Who can conspire on it? Nobody. And he is only trying to cover up his failure to give proper law and order. And that is, you see, I'll tell you,
How many people have been convicted so far? How many people have been caught on this issue? It is this.
If I can very quickly come to you once, ma'am, there is a diktat from the CAP also saying that the marriageable age of the girls should be reduced from 15 to 18. That is the way they think that these rapes can be stopped. Do you see any logic in that?
इलॉजिकल है ये बिल्कुल, इसका कोई भी हकीकत से संबंध नहीं है। देखिए 3 साल की बच्ची के साथ रेप हो रहा है और जो शादीशुदा महिलाएं हैं उनके साथ रेप हो रहे हैं। जो रेपिस्ट है वो खुद शादीशुदा है। असल में इसका कोई संबंध नहीं है उसके साथ। ये भी हमें ये लगता है कि एक तरह से बिना कुछ भी सोचे निहितार्थ क्या है उसके अंदर, उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, लक्ष्य क्या है, बस कहने के लिए बात कही जा रही है अपनी जो प्रतिक्रियावादी सोच है उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। हकीकत ये है कि आपका मीडिया जो है, मीडिया के अंदर महिलाओं का जिस तरह का
Thank you. That I'll come back to my guest, but that is what the sentiment here is. Although the politics is on such cases, Gaurav, but activists say that the ground reality is very different, and they don't see anything happening as far as the difference on the ground is concerned.
This CAP shocker in Huda land will remain our focus even at 8 o'clock. We'll try and get to the Haryana Chief Minister and ask him, how could his ministers say something? How could the Haryana Pradesh Congress chief say something as bizarre as he did? See rapes as a political conspiracy. But for the moment, Alka Lamba, Purnima Advani, Ankit Tyagi, many thanks for joining me.